Spider. I can't have to get to the goal. You know me not sell my soul. Me tell them, I know me love money, and money love me. I know me love money, and money love me. I know me love money, and money love me. Oh yeah, poor Jenna. I know me love money, and money love me. Blessings are far from me, and touch me. Get a youth, them feel live in a luxury. Hustle for me, sitting so never that grudge me. Me know why you about no fuckery. I feel make it touch me, you beg you bust me. Happy me, so you hold them go rusty. I know me love money, and money love me. Long time get a youth a suffer like dog. Now our time.
No man, I next right. You must have the port.
Well, right now what we're seeing is
don't tell me about the port. Can you imagine if there was a separate area for deportees? Can you imagine? Like all deportees go to Terminal D. Oh my God. I would just go there on a regular just to see.
Just after Leslie. Southbound 404 slows right at Finch, continues down to DVP until around Eglinton to good shape.
Book full of stamp car, man, I fly hard. Take on the street, me no live on my yard. Even when time hard, man, I try hard. I saw your pocket, I got full of money, my lord. Rude dog, no worry, car, you are my dog. Mansion, man, I eyeball, no board house, no try war. I know me love money, and money love me. Blessings are far from me, and touch me. Get a youth, them feel live in a luxury. Hustle for me, sitting so nobody grudge me. Me know why you about no fuckery. I feel make it touch me, you beg you bust me. Happy me, so you hold them.
The airport. Oh my God, I'm at the airport. I'm freaking leaving. I'm leaving. Uncle John in the back got our stuff. Oh my God. Oh my God. You see what I mean about line? So yeah, we're in all of this. I want to lick down all of these people. The kiosk? We can try. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna see if I can check in. Always that was a fail. I never succeed in checking in through the kiosk. I don't know why. But yeah. Show you guys my outfit. I'll be looking real cute because you know I'll be going down real early, so there'll be enough people at the airport, so I have to make them know say the foreign out there. Oh my God, you guys, I'm gonna be in Jamaica in a couple of hours. I'm gonna be with my daddy. Uncle John's going down. He's surprising his wife. She doesn't know that he's coming. All these things and things and things. My sister doesn't know I'm coming. Nobody knows I'm coming. And things, so this should be good, huh? Yeah. Uncle John, say hello. Tell them where you're going.
Jamaica.
Well, I'm gonna go play with Matthew and go swimming on the streets. Yeah, yo, I'm so tired. I set my... No, this is for later on. This is the YouTube stuff, not for Facebook. He thinks I'm posting stuff to make his wife's... I don't even... Oh, never mind. I was gonna say I don't even think I have Laura on Facebook, but I lied. Anyways, I ain't gonna bore you guys. When I'm done, I'll holla back. We made it out. We are going to Jamaica. Lord Jesus, Lord Jesus. Okay, alright. What is some my crimp up, cringe up, so? No, so we can't manage. Okay, straighten out a little bit now. It walks for you, you know?
No, but you walk. I like it.
The people when not travel regular, you understand? You have to see with them. They're just very excited. We want to go look for get something to eat, you know. And then yeah, like, yo, when you get here, it's like, I'm so happy, I'm so happy, I'm so happy. And when you're leaving, it's like, oh God, I don't want to go back on my yard. Huh? Yup. Oh shit, I forget to scrape my foot bottom. Sure. Y'all, stress out, yo. I feel so uneasy just with the thought of what I'm going for. Like, I hate this shit. So annoying, but you get to see your family, and as much as it pulls people apart, it brings people together. So you just gotta give thanks that you got to live to see another day. Give God thanks, because what we're about to do, you know, there is a higher level. You know what I mean? So, you guys probably can't even hear me. It's so damn loud. God, Jesus. All of them stop here. Alright, so I'm gonna go find Sydney later now. Reporting live and direct from Pearson International Airport. Well, no one said this morning and all these type of things. Uncle John and Yam sandwich from Tim Hortons. You excited to see wifey? You excited to see wifey? A lockdown? Lockdown in a ad. Hey, mine, eh? Mine, me not edit that out. So try to make sure that you don't find my channel and come watch this video, yeah. But anyways. Are you excited to see her? Oh, and others like CJ, your sister, your brothers.
Extended brothers and sisters.
Extended brothers and sisters. I'm excited to go to Kingdom Hall. Believe it or not. I can't wait to go to meeting. Wait, what's today? Tuesday? So I get to go on Thursday. Depending on what? I'm not ready for this yet. So yeah. I'm about to be out. Should call my mommy. Tell her I got through. I'm gonna call my mom and tell her I got through. Miss will come back. Ah, the safety notes are here.
Out of the way. Keep yourself off the plane.
Mesdames et messieurs, votre sécurité est c'est pour l'équipage d'Air Canada Rouge qui passera en revue les consignes.
I just say fly like the bird and the bees them. You them street them, we need them. Have you ever seen them? Then you will feed them. Man, I spend the money like they're growing on the trees them. Oh, money at the freedom. I just want to chase the dreams them. We get rich like Greg Million, squeeze them. Got a car that don't job on the weekend. Hey yo, hey yo. If you get a you make no. Hey yo, hey yo. Start that paper, your bank will grow. Hey yo, hey yo.
Quelqu'un d'autre. Dans le cas peu probable d'un amérissage, un gilet de sauvetage se trouve sous votre siège ou votre accoudoir. Une fois retiré de l'espace de rangement, la pochette ressemble à celle-ci. Pour ouvrir la pochette, retirez la bande élastique et tirez. Une fois retiré de la pochette, le gilet de sauvetage ressemble à celui-ci. Passez la tête dans l'encournure, enroulez la ceinture autour de la taille, fixez les crochets et ajustez la ceinture. Pour compresser les gilets, tirez sur une languette. On peut également le gonfler tout en soufflant dans les tubes. De confort, je les commande de quitter l'appareil. Voilà, merci de votre attention. Nous sommes maintenant prêts à partir. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the end of safety demonstration. Thank you for listening. Now we are ready to go.
Ready to go.
Hey yo, start that paper. Boy, you gotta stay fly like the eagle, the falcon. Hilltop mansion, chilling on the balcon. Here pretty bitches at the dungeon. Come from straight out the yard on the campan. Fly nigga hotter than a lantern. Put the guns white eye when I kill a cam lantern. This is a money plan.
You're already up.
If you money, you must say madman. Hey yo, hey yo. If you get a you make no. Hey yo, start that paper, your bank will grow.
Can't see nothing.
If you get a you make no. Hey yo, start that paper.
Now I'm going to sleep. Good night. We made it, people.
At the same time, ladies and gentlemen,
This guy's been saying we've been descending for the
this guy
Look here, no matter what it is. This man's been saying how we've been descending for like the last 3 hours. I don't know how long it takes to descend, but we are pretty much here.
Les effets personnels doivent être rangés dans le sac sur le siège devant vous. Le dossier est rangé aux appareils électroniques ordinateurs. Le bouchon branché au lecteur. Votre système d'extraction sont permis pour l'instant. Cependant, nous vous demandons de retirer les écouteurs qui se portent sur l'oreille et d'éteindre ou de mettre en pause les divertissements personnels jusqu'à l'atterrissage. Mesdames et messieurs, nous sommes qui devons rappeler ce secours dans cet appareil. Deux portes à l'avant, 4 secours et 2 portes à l'arrière. Et prendre 4 instants pour repérer celle qui est la plus proche de vous.
And update y'all and let y'all know that I'm almost, well, pretty much here. So when I get all my stuff and I'm, you know? Huh? Tap her. Tap her. Tap her. Tap her. Tap her. You're just like, hello. Hello. Just tap nicely. When we were young. Oh, sorry. Gotta put it on the ground now.
Girl, you made my cocky stand on me. A medium war star. I really love you and you really love me too. Oh fuck, she can suck a cocky too. Right now, man, more than happy, you know. Bring your pussy to me, chose this cocky now, yo. Man, I tell us me more than happy, but that blood clot body me so happy me that coming now, yo.
Live, I live in the color. Also, going get credit. Come plan and things. I don't know what I got it. Waiting for me, but I don't even know what time it is. But he's not here anyways. So yeah, we're just waiting for him. And then my uncle is supposed to come pick up my uncle. And I'm sweating already. The tank top. I should have known though, but I'm sweating, so yeah, just waiting on my ride and then I'll catch in. Guys, I'm in Jamaica. Guys, I'm back. Yeah. Welcome to Montego Bay. No matter laugh, yo, ain't girl you want to be no matter the cans. Them back shot that don't go see me heart. Your uncle send me got that to one more glad. Me seriously, this your kind now fuck your heart. Terms what make you time me pan. Babble-labble-lee, shabba-labble-labble-lee. Girl, you make my cocky stand on me. Babble-labble-loo, shabba-labble-labble-loo. People listen me I sweat out. All I call out in my body, me I sweat it out right now. Trust me, because all underneath my shirt I sweat. Things that drip where I'm not supposed to drip. Like, I don't understand how wet water get underneath these places. Like, look at this, it's so gross.
Welcome to Jamrock.
My hat ain't even helping me out in any way. Like, damn, bud. I'm hungry. And I'm hungry. And I'm hungry. I mean, if you go to digital because there's something now work. Stupid something now work, so I can't be on Snap or social media or nothing like that right now. I don't know why, but yeah, I might just switch into my next phone. My other phone works for now until tomorrow, and then I'll go and deal with that. So yeah, I'm just going home now. I think. I don't think Daddy's going anywhere. You're going home, right? No, I want to go bathe, change my clothes. I'll stop on my way home, like on anchovy. Cause I have to make all the people that are anchovy make them know I said Zoe there, you understand? Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
It's not funny.
What did you say I'm supposed to say?
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, that's what I
Like
said.
Daddy, say hi.
Oh. That's a different language you're speaking.
Whatever, it's English, all the same.
Right now, man, more than happy, you know. Bring your pussy to me, chose me, cocky, you know. Man, I tell us me more than happy. What a blood clot body, me so happy, me got coming, you know. God, no man, more than happy, you know. What a pretty pussy, what a big body, you know. Man, I tell us me more than happy. What a blood clot body, me so happy, me got coming, you know.
Guys, I'm home, about to eat. First drink in Jamaica. See, don't know. And then I wanted my chicken and chips, but there was no chips, so I just got fried chicken.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, fried chicken. I think it's rice and peas and coleslaw. So I'm gonna go consume this and come back. Hey people! I'm in Jamaica. Yo, I'm not stop so you know. Oh shit, that is broken down. Anyways, me just go a shop. Me just go a Miss Chin shop. And thing, you see me? Because me did need one rag to be in. Can you imagine? All these times that I come here and bring these guys stuff, them not have it because they pack up them things and give them away to everybody. You understand?
So your daddy.
Oh no, cause you love take things and go at your mother yard and left them up at your mother yard. So you're just as bad. Oh shit. People, I am drinking a Jamaican drinks. You understand? It is Jamaican. I mean, I want to put it up in my video and then copyright me like they do the last time, one couple years ago. Anyway, see it here. Quick and fast, quick and fast. You see me? Yeah, I said the thing set. I'm so excited though because I get to eat my chicken and chips. You guys, I've been wanting to show you guys chicken and chips for so long. Oh, Tidia, so I'm gonna buy it here.
Thank you.
You don't want it?
Yeah.
Give me it back. Give me it back.
No.
You're too ungrateful. Give me something.
No.
Give it to me. Let me show the people them.
No.
Let me show the people them the snacks.
It's a rough top.
Tell them what it is. The people them that are not from Jamaica or have not been to Jamaica since them start make them something here. Tell them now. My God. Yeah, wait for.
Just it.
What is it?
You just tell them rough tops.
What is rough tops? Rough
Cookie.
tops sound like
Whatever.
a rough top, like
Cookies with raisin. Whatever.
this rough tops is a Jamaican snack, okay? It's a Jamaican biscuits, crackers thing. It come in 2 flavors. This flavors is coconut drops, not just with raisins in it. It's some hot. And I remember my dad's van because inside of that house there, we are too hot. So anyways, let me show you guys chicken and chips. It's really what it sounds like, chicken and chips. It's a ketchup flavored chips and it's in the shape of chicken or fries, which we call chips. So this is a chip. See, it looks just like a French fry. But the best one is the chicken. Street chicken.
This is the
biggest one. They're all like the same size, and all the other ones are broken.
They used to make one bigger.
Really? I've always had it this size.
Oh, they used to make it bigger.
So anyways, this is chicken, you guys. Fried chicken, eh? So you see it here? I love chicken and chips, and I really love it because to me it kind of tastes like chicken and chips, but it's just a lot cheaper. Because, yeah. And they sell these in Canada at a store called Danforth for $1 a bag. And I think it's like $30-something here in Jamaica. So $100 compared to $30. Yeah. robbery in Jamaica, in Canada. So yeah, it's so hot. I want to bathe so bad, so bad, so bad. And where I was supposed to go later, somebody just died up there. Montego Bay right now. It ain't no joke. Like, way too many people are losing their life for no reason. None. Well, me can't say that because I don't really know what people are losing their life for, but you know, so yeah. God, my brother has a beard. Go on, show them the beard, show them. Show them the beard, man. Look on that. You can't see it?
No.
So, him have beard, people. When me left your April, him never have them something there grow from him face. Okay, I'm soon coming. I'm going to make my phone charge a little bit because I need it later for vlog. And so I'm soon come. Yo, shut up. Record because my phone just dropped and mash up. But yeah, we're here helping somebody get some stuff or something like that. So yeah. You guys, my first day here. Did you know? No? Okay.
Why?
You're right.
Boy.
You follow fashion, man? Yeah.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Daddy, what'd you do? What'd you do? He said you're follow fashion. Oh, my father follow fashion. I can people say my father, you know, me custom off, eh? Oh.
Me don't love me, me no love your gal. Me don't love me, me no love your gal. Me don't love me, me no love your gal. Me don't love me, me no love your gal. Dirty girl come out and feel me life. She call me batty man, me call her sodomite. And me no want to see your back no time unless you give me it. And me a come to take your life. A World War III then to have me fight. Me can't fit 2 stone, she go feed the knife. I know to how we cause all the wine. We more to how we love up in the life. With all of the problems, with all of the problems, me still love you. We fight up and we argue, but me stress and me not leave you. Cause me love you. With all of the problems, with all of the problems, me still love you. We fight up and we argue, but me stress and me not leave you. Cause me love you. You know say me happy, say we do it again. I give me sweet talk, I mean and you put them. And if you should have been a man in, you say by later, them a find me body end. Me love you from now till life end. Even if you let me still a take you, no bad again. Me make you know all of me family, me friends. Make you know all of me family, me friends. Me love you. With all of the problems, with all of the problems, me still love you. We fight up and we argue, but me stress and me not leave you. Cause me love you. With all of the problems, with all of the problems, me still love you. We fight up and we argue, but me stress and me not.
See if this is gonna drop. Oh, slow. The time you know come on, come show no, but look at this house. Okay, let me see if I can go get it really for you guys. 'Cause it's so nice. Hi, Deli. Huh? Sure. Let's see what Daddy's doing.
Oh, look at the grass. Grass mark, man. I just scratch me.
This is where I get my good hair from, guys. Oh my god, this is exactly how I said if I had trees or plants, this is how I want them to look. The top, like how it's like a ball. I love how it looks like. But I don't think it's these same plants. No, it's not these plants. Like, this is the driveway, guys. I wish it was like a little bit lighter so you can see it. But like, look at the door. Look how big the door is. It's humongous, right? And then look at the house. I thought it was apartments. It's not. Sorry, the lighting is super terrible. But wanna know Jamaica stay at night time. Look at this big ass pond. Oh, you wanna can't see nothing? Sorry. One next time, yeah? One next time. You guys, my dad's 51 and he thinks it's okay to show his chest hairs. Can you guys tell him that that's not acceptable? And to all the people that watch my videos that are Jehovah's Witnesses, is that acceptable in your guys' religions to be showing chest hairs? It's because he has like coolie-ish hair. He thinks he can just show it off. What's the matter for these old people? You don't need the light no more, Daddy?
What do I need that light for?